Sometimes following the instructions not right as always. After git clone and copy the URL in the terminal, then you follow the commands that cd the fat rat and hit enter. You need to access as a root. And this error happens because of the directory and the old version of the script. To fix this issue, you need first to find the right directory from your local storage. Simply, I'm going to files and copy the directory from the files in front of you. Even when you add to the command sudo -i chmod and hit enter, it's telling you cannot access. To fix this issue, it's super simple. Type ls to see that you are in the right directory, and then type sudo -i and hit enter. Now you access as a root, paste the directory, and then ls. Then copy the command from the GitHub and then paste it, and boom. The fat rat now fixing any possible broken package in apt management. Press enter key to continue the setup. And here you're gonna find the missing units and the packages that didn't install. So if you can't install it, you can install it manually, or you're gonna repeat this process many times until it's done. I hope you find this video it was useful, and tell me in the comment if this method works with you.